Hi, it's Simon here from Care Home Marketing Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new gallery, picture gallery, how to create a new gallery, and also how to then add that to any page or post that you want anywhere on the website. So if we go back to our example here, Northfield House, this has the picture gallery, the normal picture gallery installed on the picture gallery page here. But what I want to do is go to the blog, and I'm going to post it. I'm going to install it on this Easter activity. So what we've got is we've got a lot of photos relating to this Easter activity that went on. We've got our blog post already written and done here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the additional photographs in the form of the gallery here at the bottom. So what you need to do is you need to click on Add a New Gallery, and then just give your gallery a name and click Publish. Okay, I'm not going to do that because we've already got one created here, but that's all you need to do is just give it a simple name so you can understand what it is and where it goes, and click Publish. Then what we're going to do is start uploading images like I've showed you before, but to do this I'm going to go to an existing gallery because we've already got the images there, and it'll just be allow it to be a bit quicker for you. Okay, so we've already created this Easter celebrations new gallery here. Okay, and these images have already been uploaded. Now really I need an extra image in here. You really want 6 images rather than 5 images because they display 3 across the page. So we're going to have a row of 3 and a row of 2 here, but we're going to come back along later and add an additional picture in any case. So I'm not going to show you again how to upload these pictures, but just make sure that when you've done it all you click the update button to make sure that's saved and published. And then what we need to do is we just need to go across to this gallery shortcode section up on the top right, and you can see this little shortcode here. That is all you need to do. So you just need to left click and highlight that, okay, and right click and copy. Then what we need to go do is go to the post that we want to insert this in. So this could be a page or a post, it could be anywhere in your website that you want to insert this. So when you've got to your post, you just pick the post that you want to insert it in. It was Easter Extravaganza. Click on Edit, and that will take us to that post. And you can see we're in the visual editor here, so we can see what's on the page. If you go to the text editor, that actually shows you all the HTML code that's behind the page. Now what we need to do is we need to go down and insert this underneath here. Okay, so one tip that I will give you if you are unfamiliar with using that text side is if you go down and put a line in and then go to the center. In this case we want it centered. So just type a word, doesn't matter what the word is. I usually use the word big in capitals. Okay, just type that word there. Then when we go, because that's where we want the gallery to appear. If I go back to the text side here, you can see that is where big is. Okay, so all I need to do is just to paste in there, right click and paste that code, and that's now where big was in the middle of the page, and click update. Okay, so that's updated it and published it, and we'll go back to the visual editor now, and we hopefully should see our gallery in there. There you go, that's the gallery. So that all you can see is this short code at the moment, but if we go to the blog and refresh that now, yeah, so we can see we've got our gallery here now. So what I think we also need to do is put a bit of text above it here to explain what this is and explain what people need to do. So again, go back to that post and we're going to do it above that. So if we just press the return key and then go back up and then just write what you need to do. Okay, so I've just put click on the images below to see more Easter fun. I'm going to, I don't know what they are, they're heading 2, so I'm going to use the same style as that. So if I highlight that and then make that, instead of paragraph, make that heading 2, that will look in the same text as the others. And then we just go up here again, always update after you've made a change. There we go. So if we now go back to the blog and then update this, there we go. So that gives us a bit more. So we've got the Easter activity news, we've got the text, and then we've embedded this gallery underneath. So it's pretty simple and straightforward to do. All we need to do now is just add another picture in there, just so that it balances up quite nicely, because it looks a bit odd as it is. Okay, so that's how you create a new gallery and how you embed it into wherever you want to embed it on the website. And that could be any page, and it can be any blog post or anything like that. So if you take lots of pictures, by all means add some into the post like that's been done here. And then if you have some excess ones and you want to just showcase those as well, then it's a great idea just to put 6 or 9 of them underneath on the blog post as well. Okay,